My name is Aiman Haikal as the leader.
You. Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Shauki and I am the presenter of the group. Hi. Assalamualaikum. My name is Akilwan and I'm the editor of the team.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Iman Asfar as researcher of the team. Let's see our presentation.
Wait, do you smell something? Yes, it smells smelly. I think it's because of the activity of throwing this rubbish in the drain every day.
Yes.
Hey, Shauki Iman!
Hey.
Let's play football together. Wait, what smells bad right here? Huh? Because of you guys?
I'm so tired. I think we should take a rest and snack lah.
Yeah, I think so too lah. I'm full now. I think we should continue our jogging.
Yes, let's go.
But where should we throw this rubbish?
Nah, just throw away.
Okay.
1 day later.
Yes, because of us.
Did you know by doing this activity, you guys can give a negative impact to our environment?
Yes, right now, I need you guys to solve this problem or I report to the teacher on duty.
Don't worry, we know how to solve this problem.
But you guys need to help us solve this problem together.
Yes, we can. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's go! Hello everyone, today we are excited to share with you a project called Bioburn, a smart, fun and an eco-friendly way to turn natural waste into clean energy. However, when these wastes are not properly managed, they also cause several negative impacts, especially in the school environments. For example, they can cause an unpleasant smell that make the school environment uncomfortable. Besides that, flooding risk due to overflowing waste during heavy rain. And lastly, attraction of pests such as rats, flies, and cockroaches. Now we will go to the problem statement. Food waste and used cooking oil are often discarded without being reused, even though both can be valuable sources of renewable energy. At the same time, energy costs continue to rise and most existing renewable energy systems are either expensive or not user-friendly for home use. Therefore, there is a need for a simple low-cost system that can convert this waste into usable energy by producing both biogas and biofuel candles for daily household and a small community use. So now, what are the solutions to overcome these problems? Our project combines a biogas system and a biofuel wax into one setup. This way, users get two outputs at the same time, gas for burning and wax for lighting or extra energy. The main challenge was merging two separate technologies. To solve this, I created a control center that manages both the gas flow and the burning of the biofuel from one place. We solved the problem of a stable biogas production by adding a temperature control system using a small solder power heater. For the wax issue, since used cooking oils varies a lot, we filter it and mix it in stabilizers to keep the flame steady when it burns. We also want the system to run on its own without needing outside power, so we reuse some of the energy it produces to power things like the pump, heater, or igniter. To keep costs low, we use as many recycled materials as possible. Next, we will go to the cost and the materials of the project. First, we will need a plastic container 20 liter, which is 25 ringgit, rubber tube 10 ringgit, valve and pipe plate 5 ringgit, small glass 2 ringgit, big cotton 2 ringgit, aluminum foil 2 ringgit, PVC glue 3 ringgit, DIY burner 10 ringgit, DIY PRV 5 ringgit, bentonite clay 4 ringgit, DIY airlock 5 ringgit, and the rest are free, which is used cooking oil and also organic waste from kitchen scraps. And the total cost of our project is 77 ringgit. Apart from that, these are the functions of the materials that are being used for this project. That's all from us. I hope you guys enjoy our presentation. Thank you.